Yo guys, I'm HP. This is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is basic jazz guitar improvisation 4, and we're talking about a 1-4-5 progression in minor, which is a little bit different than the 1-4-5 progression in major. I'll show you quickly a little example. And so on. I'm going to show you the theory behind the whole thing, which modes are played, and give you a few exercises and examples that you can start with the 1-4-5 progression in minor. The first real thing to know is, what is a 1-4-5 progression in minor? As an example, in A minor 7 to D minor 7 to E minor 7. That would be the regular one. But there's also a second possibility, and that's a little bit a task, and that's going to explain the theory in detail. It also could be 1 A minor, 4 D minor 7, and 5 E7, or E7, whatever, sharp 9, back to A minor. Why can it be either one or the other in the 1-4-5 progression? Because it comes from the theory of the classical cadence or of major. If you would do it in a major key, we have 1 4 5 E7 to 1. So the classical approach to a progression 1-4-5 is that the 5 would be a major 7 chord, and in minor we have a minor 7 chord. In order to make the progression more rounded, more fulfilling, you can do either minor or major 7 back to 1. As you can hear when you select an E7 instead of a E minor 7, the progression sounds more complete. So you can do either one or the other. I'm going to show you both versions, so let's get started. Let's first check out the shape of the chords which you can use. We are doing the example in A minor. So the A minor 7 will be like this. Here, bar in the 5th, ring finger in the 5th, A string is damped, A minor 7, 1. D minor 7 will be this one here, bar in the 5th, middle in the 6th, ring in the 7th, D minor 7, and the E minor 7, same shape. If you choose to take the dominant 7 chord on the 5, I take this one here, E7 sharp 9, 7, 6, 7, 8. So let's play it with a backing track. The backing track, well, I play piano, is one go through with the E minor 7, second one with the E7 chord. So let's do it. A minor 7, 2 bars. D minor 7, 2 bars. E minor 7, 2 bars. Back to the A minor 7. Second round. A minor 7, 2 bars. D minor 7, 2 bars. And now E7 sharp 9. 2 bars. So that's now the small progression as at 1-4-5 in minor. So which modes are played? Of course we play the A minor Aeolian, and you notice I'm using 3 note per string patterns. It's really a good explanation for that. Why? Because when you do 3 note per string modes, you cover the whole fretboard by just knowing 2 shapes. So this shape is A minor Aeolian in the 5th fret. If you would do A minor Aeolian up here, so this one covers up till the 12th fret, covers up till here, and when you restart here and do the A minor up here, covers up till here and here, it restarts, so you only need 2 patterns. That's why I always make the orientation on 3 note per string. So, as we have A minor Aeolian, on the D minor, we have D minor Dorian, which is basically same thing, but we're starting here, and here we're using the shape with the starting on the A string. That will be D minor Dorian, and on the E minor, this will be Phrygian. Same thing, we're doing the shape here with the root note on the A string. I've written everything down. If it's too fast for you guys, I don't want to waste too much time here. I'll make this extra slow. So, okay, this one is played on the E minor 7. What do we play when it's a E7? So, there comes a trick. So we augment the 3rd note, the triad, the flat 3, and make it a 3. So this creates this scale. Instead of this, it creates this. And that one is called Phrygian natural 3 because it's Phrygian, and we augment the flat 3 to a natural 3, creates Phrygian natural 3. Back to A minor. So these would be the modes. Now let's do some exercises starting to use those modes. First one is we just play up and down. So that would be something like this. As I said, we always have 2 bars. So we can go up till the here the B. We go over the octave and turn around. Then D minor, same thing again. Over the octave and then turn around, same on Phrygian. Or Phrygian natural 3. And back. So let's do it with the backing track. I play 2 rows that you can see the Phrygian and the Phrygian natural 3 solution. Second round. Now Phrygian natural 3. Okay, so now you probably think somehow it's not cool to go over the octave, but we want to finish up this little example or little exercise. So here we come with the chromatic go through note, and we do it like this. On the 7th note of the mode, we add this chromatic approach. Same here, a chromatic approach, and same here, or Phrygian natural 3. Works really cool and already sounds quite like jazz. So let's do that one here. I'm also going to play 2 rounds that you hear both versions with Phrygian and Phrygian natural 3. Second round, Phrygian natural. Now Phrygian natural 3. Good. Now we want to start using arpeggios. We start with this arpeggio. So we're doing as at the beginning, we do A minor 7, and we go here in the note beside the octave to make it sound more jazzy. Same on D minor, on E minor, and back, or on E7. Let's do this. Again, I'm going to play 2 rounds, one with Phrygian and the other with Phrygian natural 3. Second round. And Phrygian natural 3. Good. Now, again, it sounds a little bit unfinished when you end up on this note, so we could do this chromatic approach from the exercise before to end up this phrase. And now it sounds like real jazz. On D minor, on E minor, or Phrygian natural 3. So let's do this again, 2 rounds. 2, 3, 4. Second round. Good. And now we want to fill up the bar, which we don't play anything, and we just end up the phrase with the exercise number 1. So we just go down with the mode again. That will be result in So we're going to do 2 rounds again. Second one again with Phrygian natural 3 instead of Phrygian. So let's do that. Second round. Natural. Yo. So these were different exercises where you learn for how to use modes by transforming exercises, figures, licks to a new mode. I always transported one idea to the next mode. And that's the way you can create motivic soloing, motivic improvisation and it's better learning from the scratch, you know. And even this, the last one, even it was an exercise, it didn't really sound so much like an exercise. One last note about the phrasing. What really, one of the main problems when you start playing jazz is that your phrasing is jumping, you know, like it's gumpity gumpity gumpity. And you shouldn't try to get this laid back feeling. And in order to do that, I did a little bit exaggerated on purpose. I always make an accent on the one, on the, when you count on the and, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When you make an accent on the offbeat, it pulls back your phrasing automatically. So, and together with a foot and 2/4, you're going to be really have this laid back phrasing, which is quite important to have a quite certain coolness if you play in slow and medium tempo stuff. Yo guys, that was basic jazz guitar improvisation 4. If you thought it was too fast for you, you can have everything as tabs plus this really cool backing track where I played the piano myself. I'm a jazz piano player as well. It's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, and also you find the previous basic jazz improvisation course tutorial 1, 2 and 3. If this thing was too fast for you, probably missed the basics, like what is a 1/4/5 progression, stuff like that, then check out those ones. They're really important. It's also available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. They really can start learning jazz from scratch and building up your theoretical knowledge about which is really needed if you want to dive deeper into jazz guitar. Unfortunately, you need quite some knowledge of music and music theory in order to fulfill the task, and that's what this course is for, just to build it up step by step in an enjoyable way and in a relaxed way, that you're always able to fulfill the task and don't get too much in the red zone of practicing. Good. If you love my channel, please share the knowledge to everybody you know, that me and Dr. Pink are existing. Still a lot of guitar players on the planet don't know that we exist, so share the information. That would help most, and please make a premium member subscription in order to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the community. Yo, see you guys.